I think my first time on a bike must have been around 5 or 6 years old. And I was like, screw Santa Claus, this is it. This is everything that I love. After that, I was completely hooked.
I'm a member of the Savage Skulls, Mother's Chapter out of New York. We're actually a classic street organization, dates back to 1966.
Me being who I am and exploring different things, that kind of ties into the motorcycling a whole lot.
I've definitely had my share of family and friends who have discouraged me. This is what I do, this is who I am.
I joined a club that was a co-ed club and got kind of angry at the behavior toward women, and I kind of wrote about it. And when I did get involved with it, I'm pretty straightforward, as you probably can see. I started seeing pictures of women who rode, like Bessie Stringfield. African-American bikers, they didn't understand the price that was paid in order for us to be able to ride, and to ride as free as we do.
Being a minority in America, we have a voice, and I think there's a voice that we have inside of Harley-Davidson. People ride, whether or not they're Chinese, African-American, Irish, and believe me, if there were aliens here, I think they'd be riding too.
Take sex out of it, race out of it, all of that out of it, and it's just the love for the bike and the ride.
It's about freedom. I'm a rider. I don't own a cage.